Hello friends, hope you're doing good. As you all know that sometimes we need to make our location secure and there are many ways to do that. One way to do so is by changing the location. In today's video, we will explore an application named as MagFone Location Changer and we will see how this application can help you change your location for a secure browsing. Also, any illegal use of this application is strictly prohibited, so be mindful. First of all, we will type MagFone Location Changer in our browser or click on the official link in the description and we will get this search result. We will click on the first link and we'll land on this page. Here you see the main features of MagFone Location Changer. It can help change location on both iOS and Android devices. It can simulate GPS movement along with customized routes and speeds. It can support latest versions of iOS and Android. One of the best features on offer here is the GPS simulation movement. It offers a two-spot movement like this, a multi-spot movement this way, and jump teleport movement as given on the screen. Now we can proceed and download the application on our device. Once it is downloaded, then we can install it. After we open it, then this would be the interface of this application. It is simple, neat, and clean interface. Now we can customize our location. We will click on Start and connect our mobile phone with it. After we connect our mobile phone with the laptop, we will click Next. We then need to pick one of the options from here. We will select the general mode and proceed. Here you see our current location and then an option for a destination location. We will type the address here and enter. Once done, you can see here we have selected a new location. Once selected, then we can click on the Start Modifying and click OK. Then we can navigate our location on our phone and it will take us to the newly selected location. So that's how people secure their locations to avoid risks of data leakage and many more. And that's it from Teach a Friend in today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye and take care.